See you up in person, got a little nervous, got a little nauseous, yeah. Took her to the top of my penthouse at the Ritz-Carlton. Pulled up in a double R, all my haters had to walk in. Speaking of a double R, I can break your brass, bitch, I'm tossing. Yeah, and I do it often. Beat his way to the coffin. Make a bitch wanna cry. I just got it, I'm still ballin'. At the light, I'm a star. Now they all wanna notice me at the nighttime and I'm dark skinned. I swear the money keep on calling. She only with me if we all in, yeah. She only with me if we all in.
Ooh, that new camera action. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? What's going on, man? The JDM Kid back with another video. Hold on. We gotta switch the setting up a little bit because this video finna be good. So, hope y'all enjoy and let's get into it. You feel me? So, this is today's video. We're working on ATV. Hopefully, this will be the start in a couple years. So, what we got going on today is, as you can see, we got two carburetors now. This is the old one, and this is the new one. So yeah, so pretty much, if you guys don't remember from previous video, there was a leak. There was just so many old things on this thing. This thing has been so old, so I decided to get a new carburetor, new hoses, new everything. I already messed with it for a little bit, so now it's just all plug and play, and then I gotta get new gas for it, make sure everything is good, start it, hopefully it starts today, praying. Yeah, there's still a couple things that I need to get for it. I need to get a battery, I need to paint this thing. I think that would be pretty cool to paint it, you know, fix this rust part, paint this freshly black, maybe get a new muffler. I don't know yet. That's future plans though. Future plans we ain't talk about. But yeah, so we're just gonna plug and go, see how this goes, and you guys will get to see that. So enjoy this little fast clip thing, whatever you guys call it. I'm still new into this, so please have some patience with me. I'll know all the terms soon. I'm so new to this camera, man. I can't believe this, y'all. But yeah, man, I'm so excited. I really hope this thing starts. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be really bummed out today, cause man, this thing needs to be started. So yeah, so let's get into it. There we go. So you see, I had to unscrew this because it just wasn't letting that go in, because there's like a little metal plate thingy blocking it. I don't know